Okay, so we're looking at liquidity ratios. Liquidity is just the money that is on hand within the business. Okay, this money is used for running the business and for paying expenses. So liquidity is all about the money on hand within the business to pay for its expenses. Okay, so the liquidity ratios, we have two of them, the current ratio and the quick ratio. Both are going to indicate to us if a country, not a country, if a company can cover its current liabilities with its current assets. Okay. As you can see, the formula for the current ratio is current assets over current liabilities. Okay. You always want a current ratio above one. Okay. Because any ratio below one, take note of this. Any ratio below one, it shows that your current assets are less than your current liabilities, and that indicates you cannot cover all your current liabilities with your current assets. Okay, let me illustrate. Let's say this is company A, right, and we have company B. Okay, let's say inventory. Remember our current assets. We've got inventory. Let's say here inventory 3,000. We've got receivables, the people who money that's being owed to us basically. So let's say receivables also 3,000. Okay. We can even put cash. Cash at hand and cash at bank. Let's put maybe 2,000 here. Okay. So if we total up our current assets, 3,000 plus 3,000, 6 plus 2,000, that is 8,000. Yes. And then let's say we have current liabilities. Our total current liabilities are, let's say, 4,000 kwacha here. Okay. So if one say what is the current ratio, you get the current assets 8,000 divided by the current liabilities 4,000. So 8,000 is going to give us 2. So basically what this is telling us, we can cover our current liabilities with these current assets 2 times. Okay. Which shows the company is healthy, can take care of all expenses when they fall due. Okay. Now let's look at company B. Okay, let's say they also have current liabilities of 4,000. Current assets, let's say inventory 1,000, receivables 500. Okay, let's say they don't even have any cash. Total current assets 1,500. So basically, if we get our current ratio, what is 1,500 divided by 4? 0.37. Okay, so basically here, as I said, with this 1,500, you cannot pay off this 4,000 here. There'll still be some current liabilities remaining. Okay, and now the as you can see, company B doesn't even have cash. If it sells all its inventory and collects all the money from the receivables, they're still going to be owing. Have you seen? And yeah, so it means that company is not in a good position. Okay. The company is not in a good position because currently it cannot cover its current liabilities with its current assets. It now might need to go and start borrowing now. Okay. So, Anytime the current ratio is above 1, that is a good sign. Okay. If it's below 1, you know that that is a bad sign. It means the current assets cannot cover the current liabilities, meaning the company will be incurring more debt because it's owing people and it's owing expenses. Okay, then we've got our quick ratio also. Now, the quick ratio wants to know, can we cover our current liabilities with our quick assets? Okay, the assets which can easily be converted into money. Okay, so with the quick ratio, we omit inventory because inventory is not considered as a quick asset. Okay, you can't finish your inventory just in one day, you can't sell all of it in one day. Okay, so with your quick ratio, it's still current assets, but you take out the inventory. Current assets minus inventory divided by current liabilities. So it's basically asking, with our quick assets, apart from inventory, can we cover our current liabilities? Okay, so even with this one, if the ratio is above 1, it means you're at a very good position, because if you remove your inventory from the equation, with your other current assets, you can pay for your current liabilities. Okay. But if your value is less than 1, it means without inventory, you cannot pay for your current liabilities, basically. Okay. So here, for in our example here, for company A, so we remove inventory. We just focus on receivables and cash. 3,000 plus 2,000, that gives us 5,000. So divided by 4,000. So our current ratio is 1.25. Yes. So if we omit inventory from the equation, it means we can still take care of our current liabilities. We have money on hand to pay for them, and we can also get the money from people who are owing us our receivables, and we'll be able to cover our current liabilities. Basically, what we are owing. Okay. Now, if we look at company B, if its current ratio was bad, the quick ratio won't be any good. Okay, because if you remove inventory from company B, it means they have just 500 kwacha, which is being owed to them by people. So 500 divided by 4,000, 0.125 years. So it means we cannot cover our current liabilities. Okay.